We need to embody company's values.
Ganun.
Dapat kasi work smart at work hard. Huwag kasi puro hard. Nag-polgo ko yung
We also need to have the specific skills required.
And also, we need to learn quickly when skills are needed para madali tayo makapag-adjust.
Dapat rin tayo magtrabaho with just little supervision.
You need to take initiative to make things happen.
Asus, tanong mo sa isa dyan, ayaw ko mag-confess.
Kaya nga, ayaw ko mag-take ng initiatives.
Tama na nga yan. Pero we also need to be comfortable in the uncertainty of an entrepreneurial situation.
Ang galing, dapat rin tayo maging flexible to business need and changing requirement.
Yeah. By the way, nasaan na si Chris?
Kaya nga, late na naman yun.
Yun pa, parang himala kung hindi siya late.
Sorry guys, I am late. Natanggap na kasi ako.
Sa trabaho,
Over naman sa ask! Siyang tunay kaibigan. And, by the way, kakarating ko lang pero I am going away here from now.
La, bakit?
Over naman sa bucket! May buffet doon sa kapitbahay namin and I really can't miss that good food. Goodbye!
Si Chris, dito mo. Si Chris talaga. Wala na ako, pero mga siya
Sabay na tayo.
Uy, cut na ka na.
Kung pangaking utak ay masaya, ano ba?